All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can practice using accurate closed captions. This is related to the performance task. So hopefully when you're watching this video, you've already tried to complete this guided practice. And this is kind of a way for you to check your work. Otherwise, you could technically watch this as you're doing the guided practice. It is totally up to you. So what you'll see on the It's Learning course is I will have provided a video for you. And once you open the video, you'll probably see a screen that looks like this. And what this is you are going to download this video and you're going to download it so that you can upload it into YouTube and practice doing your own closed captions. I wanted to give you a really short video so you didn't have to pick one on YouTube and potentially be sitting there and typing for a long time. This video is only 30 seconds. There's only a couple sentences you would have to type out for accurate closed captions. And you might not even have to make that many changes after you upload it in the first place. So I'm just going to walk you through how you can do this guided practice. So you can either follow along with me or watch this to check your work. So once I have the video link open here, right in the top right corner, there's a couple of options. You can comment on the video, you can download it, or you have your little 3-dot button menu here for more actions. We are going to download this video. And it's important that you do this so you have the ability to upload it into YouTube. It will go into your downloads folder in your computer in case you lose access to it down here. But what I'm going to do is in my other tab here, I'm going to have YouTube pulled up. And you have a couple options here. It's really important that if you haven't done this before, that you set up your own YouTube channel. Chances are, because of e-learning and everything, you've probably already set up your own YouTube channel because you've been using videos extensively. But if not, make sure you do that. I reference how to do that in earlier steps in this learning path. You can visit the YouTube and Google Help Center for training on that. So once we've done that, I'm going to click this little camera button here, and that is upload video. The other way you can get to that menu is there's a 3-dot button over here, and it's at the very bottom. You can add a video there, or if you click over here on your actual profile icon, you'll see the option to go to your channel and you can upload there. But I'm just going to click this upload video. And to save ourselves some time, and so we don't have to dig through video files and the mini folders on my computer, where it says select files, we're just going to drag and drop that video download that we just had. All right. So because this is just a practice option for you, you don't need to make this a public video unless you want to have a video of me telling you what to do. Otherwise, you can leave a bunch of this blank. You can change some of these features if you need to, change a few other things if you need to. All right. And then when it gets to more options, you can change some of these other features and make it unlisted, do whatever you need to do. What I like to do is always make sure that I change it to language, subtitles, and closed captions. Mine is set to English by default. You can toggle that if you need a different language setting there. All right. And once I have done all of this stuff, I'm just going to uncheck some of this as I don't want it to be public. I'll go to next and next. And then I'm just going to leave this as private because I don't need anyone else to watch this video that I'm going to close caption. And I'll click save. All right. So I have uploaded this into YouTube, and it does take it a few minutes for YouTube to process your video. So once that has happened, I'd give it like about 5 minutes or less. That's when you can start editing your closed captions. All right, so after I have given my computer time to process and create the automatic closed captions for a video, this is the most helpful thing. After you've uploaded it, if you look over here, you'll see that you have the closed captions on the video now. So what I'm going to do is go to my channel, or you can go to YouTube Studio from this menu as well. And once I'm in YouTube Studio is where I see that option to have my subtitles adjusted to where they're accurate closed captions or subtitles on my video. So if I scroll a little bit further down the page, I'll go to subtitles, and then I'll see all of the videos I've uploaded to YouTube. And again, if you want to have a little bit slower walkthrough on this, if you go to the step that was just before this one, I walk you through it a little bit slower. So here I am, here's my video. And if I click this one, this is the one I want to add the updated, accurate subtitles to. I see right here, YouTube has created automatic English subtitles for this. So if I want to add accurate closed captions, what I'm going to do is do duplicate and edit. And that way, what it does is it gives me something to work with here so I'm not starting from scratch. So what I can do is if I do assign timings, it puts the timings on here automatically. So I can do this, make the changes here. And when I'm finished making all my changes, I will do publish and it will save my accurate closed captions there so that whenever closed captions come up, it's not showing wrong words or misheard things. It's what my students should see. And I can add any extra noise background noises to a video if that's applicable.